Ranger, Ranger, say hello. Say hello. He says, I'm waiting for Jason. They're out and about today. And we took the Ranger with us because we went to Rural King, and that's Ranger's favorite store because they actually let him go in the store. Ranger was whining earlier, and we couldn't figure out why he was whining. Normally he's excited, he's happy. And then he threw up in the store. Oh, but what? Oh, I bet Jason's coming. So anyway, Ranger threw up in the store, and he was kind of unhappy. We cleaned it up, obviously, because if we didn't, we would be irresponsible dog owners. But we cleaned it up, and we left the store. We've been looking for a part for our snowblower all day. If I look pained, it's because I've sprained my right ankle and it really, really hurts. But, you know, I have things to do, so I can't be sitting around all day. It's bad enough I did that yesterday. But I didn't want to leave you guys without something, because I tend to upload things Tuesdays and Thursdays, though generally I just update whenever, but I try to do it consistently on Tuesday and Thursday. I did take some video of Ranger running around in the park on Monday, and then Tuesday morning other things happened and I thought it made a more appropriate vlog. So I'm going to edit together some stuff that I shot on Monday for today, and hopefully you enjoy it. So I will see you guys again soon. Bye bye. Here he goes. Okay, gotta make sure I avoid the leash.
Was that fun? Nathan does the grass. Why do you eat the grass?
Here he goes. Zoom. Wow! I tried to brace myself. I failed. Here he goes. And there's a blur of motion. And we're caught on the tree again. Hey, Ranger, you having fun? Highly visible dog. So he has the right shirt on. Ranger, Ranger, ready, set, go! He's running circles around you. Woo! Woo! Yeah!
Really kicked that one off.
Ranger! Hey, stinker butt! Here he comes! Woo! Ranger, 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 come here, baby. Here he comes.